Assalamu alaikum. What is dining etiquette? Eating together is an important social activity in every culture. Whether we sit at a table or sit on a dastakhan, meals are not only about food but also about behavior. Dining etiquettes refer to the accepted rules of behavior during meals. These rules guide how we sit, eat, speak, and interact with others while sharing our food. Today, we will identify the key elements of proper dining etiquettes in a formal and informal settings and explain why good table manners and appropriate behaviors are important during meals. For formal and informal dining settings can be broadly divided into formal and informal settings. A formal setting may include official dinners, school functions, workplace meals, or special occasions. Whereas an informal setting includes meals at home, family gatherings, or sitting on a dastakhan. Although the setting may change, respectful behavior remains essential in all situations. What are the key elements of proper dining etiquettes? We'll talk about it. Some basic rules of dining etiquettes apply to both formal and informal meals. These include washing hands before eating, sitting properly, respectfully, and calmly, waiting for others before starting, eating slowly and neatly, not stepping over the food, sharing food fairly, avoiding waste, which is very essential. While eating, it is important to keep the mouth closed while chewing, avoid making noises with the mouth, use spoons and forks quietly without cluttering, and avoid spilling food on clothes or the eating area. The appropriate behavior during meals reflect a person's discipline and upbringing. Good behavior includes speaking politely and softly, not talking while chewing food, not picking teeth at the table or the sakhwan, and not using mobile phones while eating. It is also important to keep food from falling on clothes, use a napkin or tissue properly, and clean hands and mouth after eating. Some examples will be if a person picks their teeth while others are eating, it can cause discomfort and embarrassment. This behavior distracts from meals and shows lack of consideration for others. Another example may be using a mobile phone while eating may signal disinterest in the people present, weakening social bonding. In all settings, respect for elders and consideration for others must be maintained. If a person eats with an open mouth, makes noises with cutlery, or picks teeth during the meal, others may feel uncomfortable. This shows that poor manners can spoil the shared dining experiences. Table manners and dining etiquettes play an important role in social life. They help to create a pleasant and comfortable environment, show respect for others, and reflect cultural and social values. They also prevent embarrassment in public or formal gatherings. So, good behavior during meal also leaves a positive impression. It also strengthens relationship and promotes cleanliness and discipline. A person who makes noises with cutlery or eats hastily may be remembered more for poor manners than for food and for good conversation. This shows that table manners strongly influence social impressions. Whether eating at a table or on a dastakhan, these manners show consideration for others. In a formal setting, behavior is usually more structured. People are expected to sit upright, using cutlery carefully, and follow polite conversation rules. In an informal setting, behavior may more be relaxed. However, basic manners such as closed mouth chewing, no teeth picking, quiet eating, and cleanliness must always be observed. This shows that while the setting may change, good manners remain essential. We have learned that dining etiquettes refer to proper behavior during meals. These rules apply to both formal and informal settings, including table dining and dastakhan meals. Good table manners, such as eating neatly, avoiding noise, keeping the mouth closed, and respecting others, create harmony and reflect good character. They help us become responsible and respectful members of society.